In this video, I'll show you how to scale an object to an exact size in AutoCAD using reference scaling. This is especially useful when you need a specific dimension that isn't a simple scale ratio. First, select the object you want to resize, then type Scale or SC in the command line and press Enter. Choose a suitable base point, then type R for reference and press Enter. Now select the 2 points that define the current length you want to change. AutoCAD will use this measurement as the reference. Next, enter the exact new length you need, such as 133 units, and press Enter. AutoCAD will automatically calculate the correct scale factor and resize the object to match your specified dimension. This method is much easier than calculating the scale ratio manually, especially when working with irregular measurements. You can use reference scaling for lines, shapes, blocks, and other objects whenever accurate sizing is important. That's how you can quickly resize an object to a specific dimension in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!